In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pre-order feature in Wix. Whether you're looking to generate buzz for a new product or simply want to ensure demand before a big launch, enabling pre-orders is a powerful way to engage your customers and gauge interest. So let's dive right in and see how easy it is to set up this feature on your Wix site. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Wix homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top or side navigation bar and find the option labeled Catalog. This is where all your products are listed, and it's your gateway to managing your store's offerings. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a new page showing a summary of all your products. Now, your next step is to click on Products. This will present you with a comprehensive list of everything you offer. You might have a wide variety of items, or just a select few. Whatever the case, simply scroll through until you find the product you'd like to enable for pre-order. Click on that product to open its settings and detailed view. With your product page open, direct your attention to the product management options. Among these, you should see an option titled Pre-order. Selecting this will open up further customization options, allowing you to transform your product into one that's available for future purchase. It's quite straightforward and intuitive, as Wix tends to ensure its platform remains user-friendly. Once you've enabled the pre-order feature, you'll need to provide some additional information for your customers. This is where the pre-order message comes into play. Craft a compelling message that informs potential buyers about the expected release or shipping date, and any other pertinent details they should be aware of. This message is crucial because it sets the right expectations, helping to ensure customer satisfaction. After inputting your pre-order message, it's important to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located in an easily accessible spot on the page. Clicking this ensures that all the changes you've made are applied, and your product will now appear with the pre-order option available to your customers. It's a small step, but it's crucial for making sure everything you've done stays in place. And there you have it. Within just a few clicks and some thoughtful messaging, you can effectively enable the pre-order feature on your Wix site. It's a fantastic way to keep your customers engaged and eager about upcoming products. Thanks for watching and happy selling!